Hello, today we will guide you through how to hyperlink in Qualtrics. To begin, open your survey in the Qualtrics Edit view so you can work directly inside the survey builder. This is where you can change question text, formatting, and interactive elements like links. Once you're in the editor, look for the sample block and select the sample question. Clicking into the question opens the text area you'll need to edit. Next, choose the Rich Content Editor. This is the tool that gives you more formatting control over your question text. If you only see a limited toolbar at first, that's normal. Go ahead and click on More to expand the available formatting options. This reveals additional tools, including the option to create a hyperlink. Now inside the question text, highlight the sample word you want to turn into a clickable link. This step is important because the text you select becomes the visible hyperlink that survey participants will see. Choosing a clear word or phrase helps make your survey easier to understand and more professional to navigate. With that text highlighted, click the link icon in the editor toolbar. This opens the link settings where you can connect the selected text to a web address. In the URL field, enter the sample URL. Be careful to type or paste the address correctly, since even a small mistake can cause the link not to work as expected. If you're using a full web address, it's usually best to include the complete link so Qualtrics recognizes it properly. After entering the URL, click OK to apply the hyperlink. Once you do that, the selected word should now be linked. In most cases, linked text will appear visually different, often underlined or styled to indicate that it's clickable. At this point, your hyperlink has been added to the question text. It's a good idea to quickly review the question in the editor to make sure the correct word is linked and that the text still reads naturally. Clear linked text helps respondents know exactly what they're clicking on, which can improve the survey experience. That's all it takes to add a hyperlink in Qualtrics. By opening the question using the Rich Content Editor, expanding the toolbar, selecting your text, and attaching a URL, you can create clean, clickable links directly inside your survey content. This is especially useful when you want to direct respondents to additional information, reference materials, or another web page while keeping your survey organized and easy to follow.